This video is about replacing bad habits with better ones using imagery and vibroacoustic therapy. We will recognize the process, experience vibroacoustic therapy, and realize the benefits of combining it with visualization. Let's align on what we mean by habits. A habit is a routine, often subconscious, behavior. Good habits improve wellness and well-being. Bad habits are self-destructive behaviors resulting from stress, conflict, or social pressure. Realization of a bad habit's negative impact on health, relationships, performance, and sleep is often an aha moment. Vibroacoustic therapy, imagery, and visualization can help through stress reduction, self-hypnosis, and building new, better habits. Vibroacoustic therapy, or VAT, involves low sound frequencies to reduce pain, stress, insomnia, and anxiety. It uses components like sound tables or mats with low-frequency speakers and an amplifier to provide a gentle inner-body massage. During a session, you can select a deep meditation frequency. As you tour your body, examine any stress or pain and minimize thoughts and emotions. Visualize emptying your mind, resetting, and feeling renewed with calmness and vitality. The process involves identifying your bad habit and its consequences. Then, during a VAT session, visualize a positive alternative. For instance, replace beer with seltzer. Create a new scenario using associative words, imagery, and visualization. Affirm your power to achieve it. For 1 to 2 weeks, reduce stress and recharge vitality twice daily. Visualize the new scenario with more detail. Start the new positive habit with awareness and willpower. Enjoy the process of adopting the new habit. Use VAT to clear your mind. Create an associative keyword list and visualize the new positive scenario. Embed this new scenario consciously and subconsciously. Activate the positive scenario in real time, supported by VAEA. I'm Abigail Berg, MA in Holistic Health and owner of the Soundwell. We offer wellness modalities to balance the body-mind and reduce stress, insomnia, and anxiety. Contact me to learn more about replacing bad habits with better ones.